The main reason why we need to address the solid waste management goal in the SDGs is it's a critical but often forgotten element of urban development. And it's critical from a variety of reasons. It's locked into the sort of resource efficiency of a city. And of course, there's huge environmental and health risks in not dealing with solid waste. And it's actually a cross-cutting issue in the SDGs. It falls under Goal 11, also Goal 12 for the recycling, but it's also got linkages to the health goal number 3 as well. Solid waste management causes a variety of health situations in urban settings. The first is perhaps the most important, that in many developing economies, it's young children who often are involved in the waste collection and the sorting of recyclables. They are at severe risk from being injured through handling waste, but also from respiratory infections and skin diseases that result in them coming into contact with hazardous household wastes. The second issue, that in many urban settings where landfilling is uncontrolled, the atmospheric pollution that's caused by spontaneous combustion it impacts on air quality in the city, and quite often very toxic substances are given off. And the other issue, which is more of an environmental and health issue, is that the greenhouse gases that are produced by discarded waste, which isn't managed properly, of course contribute to the climate change issues, which themselves have impact on health in the longer term. The elements of a good solid waste management system at a municipal level really come from the first issue, which is about trying to encourage reducing the production of waste in the first place. That can be done by consumer campaigns to the public to encourage them to adopt less wasteful practices. It can also involve municipality-driven recycling and source separation of waste, which of course makes it much easier and much more cost-effective to do. And then the other issue, of course, is that they need to minimise the amount of waste that actually goes into the landfill, because transporting waste any distance costs money, and if you run out of landfill space near the city, waste collection cost goes up. So really, a lot of the benefits of waste management can be felt directly by the municipality, and their operating costs can be reduced significantly. I think there's an increasing interest in solid waste management in cities around the world, and a lot of it is driven through cost savings on the one hand, and the opportunity to reduce environment and health risks in the long term.